Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to my unique English learning class. In today's class, we are going to focus over the Indian accent. As you know, like for many Taiwanese people, they face a problem when they listen to Indian accent, when they communicate with the Indian people. So in today's class, I'm going to read something in Indian accent and you need to decode what I'm speaking about. Everything will be there on the screen, so I'm taking you to the computer and we'll see how it works. So now you can see we are on computer and I'm going to read this topic in Indian accent. The topic is about night market and now I'm going to read it in typical Indian accent. So what you need to do is you need to try understanding what I'm talking about, how I make the pronunciation with the words. So let's start reading and I'm going to read in somewhat faster so that you maybe like you need to be more specific and more focused on what I'm speaking about. So let's start reading. Night market are a good place which people like to visit. Both Taiwanese and tourists enjoy going to this place. Especially foreigners, people can find something special there in night markets. Visitors can enjoy shopping, find exotic foods and learn about some foreign cultures. First at all, at night market is a cultural place where visitors can find traditional Taiwanese culture. The oldest night market in Taiwan is Huaxi Street. In Huaxi, we can eat the food which are odd and special. Snake meat is one example. We can drink snake blood and eat snake meat, which is believed to be good to our body. Therefore, when tourists come to Huaxi, they always try it. Secondly, we can find some exotic foreign foods from other countries. I think there are two most popular foreign foods in the Taiwan in the night markets. One is Japanese takoyaki, which can be found in Shilin night market. The other is the Korean dish kimchi rice cake. No matter adults or children, they like to eat it. Kimchi rice cake is a little spicy and little sour. People can't stop eating it once they taste its special flavor. People usually need to stand in line to buy kimchi rice cake. I think it is good to eat in winter. Finally, a night market is a good place for shopping. When tourists come to night market, they may discover something special. If they like some goods, they can spend a little time, little money to get them. Many people ask me why the night market is good place for shopping. I told them because it is convenient. When I am tired from walking, I can take a rest and eat something delightful there. This is the reason why I like to shop at night markets. To sum up, people can get many things in the night markets where they can buy traditional and foreign objects and enjoy various kinds of foods. There is no denying that I like to go to night markets. Nevertheless, I always spend too much time there. I don't know whether it is good for me or not, but I enjoy many great foods and the cultural stuff there. Alright, so this was in Indian accent. I hope there were some words that you didn't understand. On the screen you can see also how I pronounce the words, and maybe this would be much helpful for you. If you have any query, any comment, or you want to say something about this, you may write down your comment below and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video.